In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a banner to your Wix website. If you've been looking to enhance the appearance of your Wix site with a visually appealing banner, then you've come to the right place. This process is quite simple, and I'll walk you through each step to get your website looking fantastic in no time. First, let's head over to the Wix website editor. Make sure you're logged into your Wix account, and then navigate to My Site. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, you'll want to focus on adjusting your header size. This might seem like a small detail, but the size of your header can greatly impact how your banner looks. A well-sized header creates a balanced and professional appearance, so don't skip this step. Next, you'll find a plus icon typically located on the left side of the editor. Give that icon a click to open up the menu where you can add different elements to your website. From this menu, you need to choose Image. This option will allow you to add a new visual component to your site, which in this case will be your banner. Now, when it comes to selecting the actual image for your banner, you have a couple of choices. If you have a specific image in mind that you'd like to use, go ahead and click on Upload Image. This will give you the option to pull an image directly from your files. Make sure it's high resolution so that it looks crisp and clear on your site. Alternatively, if you don't have a specific image ready, you can take advantage of Wix's free images. This is a great resource if you want access to professional and diverse images without any extra cost. Browse through the collection to find something that suits the feel and theme of your website. Once you've selected your image, it's time to make it the star of the show. Highlight the image you want to use and click the Select button. With your image selected, you can now drag it to your site's header. This is where your banner will live, giving your site a stunning look right at the top. To make sure your banner is perfect, you'll need to adjust the image to fit the header space. Take a few moments to resize and reposition the image so that it looks just right. This might take a bit of trial and error, but getting the perfect alignment and scale is key to achieving a polished look. And there you have it, you've successfully added a beautiful banner to your Wix website. This simple addition can make a big difference in the overall impression of your site. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Happy editing!